Hello, day 19, and today he finished the wall. Look how smooth he leaves that with that bucket of his. He's left it smoother than it was before, I think. That's where we usually play volleyball, or sometimes they'll play soccer, the young people. Pretty good. Okay, so here, I put 8 minutes of video. I reduced it to 1 minute, so we got Turbo on his Traco here. And he said, yeah, otherwise I'll get really bored with it. Oh, that circle was me checking to make sure I wasn't too close to any branches. And so here he goes. He would love to do it that fast. Okay, I'll let you watch this and get back on in a minute. Okay, so there he's tapping in the last rock of the wall. And then I went down lower because I had seen tracks down below. And sure enough, he said he'd gone down there and picked up 4 or 5 big boulders that were laying around or half in the mud. And he took them all up and put them behind his wall. So they're incorporated into the wall. Okay, now I'm going to show you 2 different time lapses that cover basically 3 hours in about a minute. But they give a good view, a good perspective. At one point, the truck came for the last time. I think it was trip 15 or trip 16, and I was listening to. We were chatting a little bit, and he told the guy before the guy left. He said, "Yeah, come, let me give you some dirt to bring over up to the top." And he started taking dirt up there, and I thought, what in the world is he going to do with all that dirt? Well, watch what he does with it. He knows what he's doing. So here's the truck, bringing over dirt, piles of dirt, and now look what he does with it. He uses it behind all the rocks. So there he is, putting up the last ones. And my drone is up above this because some of that video is of him doing this part too. Okay, so that's it. That's the last one right there. And then these are 3 boys, more or less in the same spot as right there, more or less. You can see the difference there. And then this picture is, after it was still muddy, still wet, and now today. Crazy. Okay, that's it for today.